Let's unbox the HY300 projector. Really excited to see how this is gonna look. We can see on the box it says Ultra HD, high dynamic range, which is really awesome. Comes with this really nice packaging here. And looks like we're gonna have this really nice carrying pouch here. Really nice here. Let's go ahead and unzip this here. Alright, here we have the actual projector here. You can see right here, we can just take it off over here. And here is the actual sensor here. There is a plastic here, so we do have to remove that. There we go, we have that beautiful projector lens. We can see that it features a really nice gunmetal gray color. Absolutely love the color here. Right in the bottom, we do have a nice rubber base here for extra stability. And we're also able to rotate this as well, so it can accommodate a lot of different positions, which is awesome. Now further inside the pouch, we're going to have a nice quick installation guide, followed by a US power plug over here. We can see it uses a 2-prong. And here we actually get a nice remote here with a couple of dedicated features. And it looks like it's powered by some batteries here. So it does require 2 AAA batteries, but it's really nice to have a control to control it. And I love the fact that it comes with this pouch here, so that way you can store everything that you need right inside, plus any additional cables that you might want to bring with you, maybe like an HDMI cable or something like that. And then you can zip it up, angle it in, and now you can carry it with you. Really nice, and I absolutely love this touch. Now taking a closer look at the inputs, we're gonna have to tilt this down here to access the inputs here. So right here is where you would plug in the US plug, and here we have a USB-A port, a 3.5mm headphone jack, HDMI port, and we have a power button to turn it on. So I'm really liking the input selections here, and we do have a lot of ventilations on the bottom, as well as the top here. We have some really nice ventilation here. So with that out the way, let's go ahead and test this out. Alright, I have this projector turned on, power adapter, and HDMI connected to my PS5 Slim. And as you can see, when you first power it on, you're actually greeted to this nice home menu here. This is based off of Android TV, and you can control it with this remote over here. Very nice and effective. It comes preloaded with Netflix, YouTube, dedicated app stores, settings and files, and then you can obviously choose your HDMI. What I like about this too is that it has a dedicated focus button here. So if it's out of focus, you can basically click this button here and it will focus. And you continue clicking on it to, find the best focus angles. And it just does it for you. And I really like that feature a lot. Now you can also reposition this at any time. So if I want to move this a little bit more down, it will automatically adjust. So I can move it back up, move it a little bit higher, and you can see that it keeps adjusting it to make sure that you have a nice leveled screen here. So I absolutely love that feature a lot. And do apologize for that little doorknob over there, but this projector can be projected literally anywhere. So that's the awesome thing here. Alright, I'm loading up YouTube over here. It is awesome over here. This is the standard YouTube application on this projector here, so I can click on a video. So far I'm liking the quality of this display, and I like the fact that you can control the volume on the actual control as well. And the quality is really great, and I love the fact that this could be centered. You definitely want your room to be as dark as possible for it to look super awesome. And obviously you can always remove this at any time and position it anywhere you like. And this thing is freaking awesome, guys. Alright, and testing out the PS5 here, we can see here that the resolution is going to be on 1080p. However, you do get 60 Hertz, which is going to be nice and quick. Alright, let me go ahead and lower down the volume real quick. Alright, so my first impressions of this, being able to game on the PS5 with the projector screen is awesome. I mean, 1080p at 60 Hertz is more than enough to enjoy some really good gaming here. And the fact that it's 60 Hertz is really going to be nice and smooth here. And again, I love the fact that we can censor and play anywhere that we want to play, which is awesome, guys. I mean, this thing is really cool, guys. So PS5 gaming on this projector is fire, guys. And overall, I think gaming on this projector is definitely a great experience. So guys, if you guys are looking for an amazing projector that features built-in applications like Netflix, YouTube, and the ability to download more apps, as well as this awesome HDMI port that lets you connect your gaming consoles to enjoy console gaming at anywhere, then this is definitely the projector you definitely want to check out, guys. I highly recommend it, guys. Firewolf out.